he have to do to really impress her? She retires to consider her verdict. It's hard not to feel deflated when even your best isn't good enough.